C, reminiscence, emphatic spelling like I said is incorrect. Okay, so this was Sri V.S. Krishna Degree College. I'm switching over to DVN. DVN, please type your words once again, please, and give me a... Alright, to make the learning more effective, I am going to type all the words that they have given so that everybody can see. Is the screen visible to all of you? These are the words that were given by DVN College. Is this visible to all of you, the words? Are the words visible to all of you? Please raise your hand to confirm. Yeah, thank you. We still follow the same rule. You need to raise your hand to say yes. Okay. All right. All right. The words from DVN College are foreign. The first word is foreign. The second word is rhythm. The first word is foreign. The second word is rhythm. The third one is handkerchief. Handkerchief. The fourth one is millennium. It's not millennium, it's millennium. All right? Thank you. Gayatri College of Science and Management, please go ahead. Please give me your word. Gayatri Degree College, I hope you can hear me. Gayatri Degree College has given me 3 words, and those words are, first one is called cease. Cease. The second one is cease. Both are same pronunciation. Okay? So let me tell you, both are same pronunciation. Both are pronounced as cease. The third one is colonelship. 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 Alright? So that was DVN, sorry, that was Gayatri College. I'm so sorry. Gayatri College, Vijayanagaram. Do we have you online? Okay, the words are, first one is pardon. The first one is pardon. The second one is weaving. The third word, how do you pronounce it? Let me hear it from you first. How do you pronounce the third word? Please switch on your microphone and tell me, how do you pronounce the third word?
Geography.
Sorry?
Geography.
A little more louder, please.
Geography.
Geography. It's not geography, it's geography. It can also be pronounced as geography, geography or geography. Both are perfect, but the O sound has to be a little more clear and little more prominent. So pardon, weaving, geography, humble. All right?
Can I know, sir?
Can you know what?
Sir, can I know the meaning of pardon, sir?
Pardon means to excuse. Pardon also means to forgive.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. And this was Gayatri College, Vijayanagaram, right? Okay, Government College, Rajahmundry, may I have your words, please? Okay, quite a few words. If you guys can type one under another, it will be easier. Because I have to again format the whole thing, it becomes little difficult. So if you can type one under another, it will help me, it will save time for me. Okay. The first one is here, HEIR here. The second one is here. One is here, second one is also here. Depending on the context of the sentence, you can figure out what it means. The third one is also here. I am growing some hair. I have a pet hare. Hare is another form of rabbit. And the heir of my property will be the student from this college, which is Government Degree College, Rajahmundry. HEIR means the person who inherits all the property. AIR is heir. It's not hair, it's heir. AEIR, heir. ADVICE is advice. ADVISE is advise. The C that you see here on advice, it's a S sound. The S that you see on advise, it's a Z sound, Z sound. One is advice, the second one is advise. I will tell you the meaning very soon. Next we have hesitate. It's not hesitate, it hesitate. Pupil, P-U-P-I-L is not pupil, it's pupil. Then we have council, and the last one is curriculum. Curriculum, curriculum. It's exactly like this word. A lot of people say cucumber. It's not cucumber, it's cucumber. It's not cucumber. Please remember it's pronounced as cucumber. All right? Thank you. So you were Government College, Rajahmundry. After Government College, Rajahmundry, my list shows Gautam Degree College, Vijayawada. I have no idea why RK Degree College has given all the words. SBVR has given the words. SDMK, AVN, all of you don't understand a simple instruction, and I'm not going to repeat. If you can't follow a certain discipline, then I don't know what to say. Gautam Degree College, your words are, I lost it. Gautam Degree College, where are you? Okay, there you go. Your words are, first one is kleptomaniac or kleptomaniac. Kleptomaniac is a person who's suffering with kleptomania. Kleptomania is a disease, it's a mental disorder where a person has the habit of stealing stuff. Now these people who steal stuff, it's not that they are poor or they don't have money. They have money, they can buy the stuff, but still they have the habit of stealing it. That is what kleptomaniac means. Klutzy, I don't know the meaning of klutzy. I don't know the meaning of Kwanzaa. I don't know the meaning of screwinner. There is no word called screwinner as much as I know. It's a souvenir. If you mean souvenir, I don't know what you mean. If you give me a word, uncommon word, I expect you to give me the meaning as well. The last word is lecherous. Lecherous is considered as a bad manners when a man looks at a woman in a very disrespectful manner. That is what lecherous means. All right? Gautam Degree College, thank you. Gupta Degree College, may I have the words, please? Gupta Degree College, you have given me some 4-5 words. And they are apparatus or apparatus. Apparatus is considered perfect. Apparatus, oblique, enthusiasm, dessert. D-E-S-S-E-R-T is dessert. It's not desert. Desert means in Rajasthan you have a desert, in Africa you have a desert. The moment you add another S, it becomes dessert. The next word is geneticist. A person who studies genetics, it's geneticist. And the last one is him or Heim. It's not Heimene, don't say Heimene. It's Heim or him. Both are considered appropriate. So this came from Gupta Degree College. I move on to Krishna Chaitanya Degree College. May I have the words please? Krishna Chaitanya Degree College. Krishna Chaitanya Degree College, may I have the words please? Krishna Chaitanya Degree College, may I have the words please? No response. MVR College, MVR, may I have the words please? 5 words. The first one is dilemma, D-I-L-E-M-M-A, dilemma. Next is dove, D-O-V-E is dove, like L-O-V-E is love, D-O-V-E is dove. A lot of people mispronounce love as low, low. I have seen this in AP, in Hyderabad and all that. Whenever there is a word which ends with VE, okay, whenever there is a word which ends with VE, instead of the V sound, they replace with U sound. I don't understand why. For example, if the word is give, okay, they don't say give, they say give. Please give me some money, please give me a pen. It's not give, it's give. G-I-V-E, give. Likewise, D-O-V-E is dove. It's not dove, it's dove. D-O-V-E, dove. It's a bird, it's a species of pigeon. D-W-A-R-F is dwarf. This is pronounced as dwarf. And the last word, it's pronounced as fetus. Fetus means unborn child. The child which is still in mother's womb, it's called an fetus. Is my screen visible to all of you? Sai Kulwan, something is wrong with your system. If the screen is not visible to you, I don't know, something is wrong. You need to check at your end. MVR, you have already given me 4 words. I will take one more word. History, H-I-S-T-O-R-Y is history. Alright? Next, after which college was this? MVR. Was I speaking to MVR? Is that right? I'm losing the count here. Okay, Nagarjuna Degree College. Nagarjuna Degree College for Women, Kadapa, may I have the 5 words please? They have already typed it. Very smart, very good, very impressive. Okay. The pronunciations are interval, I-N-T-E-R-V-A-L, interval. The next word is iron. It's not iron. I'm going for a movie. Which movie? Iron Man. It's not Iron Man. It's iron. R is silent. Okay? So it's pronounced as iron. It's not iron. Next is obviously. Obviously, V-E-I-N-S is veins. V-E-I-N-S is veins. Then we have attendance. The next word is attendance. Then we have modern. It's not modern. A lot of people, I don't know why, they say modern. As if there is a person by name Mod who's running. Mod run. It's not modern. It's modern. Modern. Sculpted. Corrupt. C-O-R-R-U-P-T. Corrupt. S-Q-U-A-N-D-E-R. Squander. And the last one is acceleration. Good words, very good words. Interval, iron, obviously, veins, attendance, modern, sculpted, corrupt, squander, acceleration. Thank you so much, Nagarjuna College. Okay, I'm switching over to Nalanda Degree College. Nalanda Degree College, may I have your words, please? Wow, they have typed one under another. It makes my life so easy. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. This particular aspect of presenting information which is easy to refer and easy to use. It's an unwritten rule or unspoken rule of aesthetics. Aesthetics means something which looks good, something which, for example, when you go to a very normal restaurant, the way they come and ask, yem kavali, what do you want? You say one biryani. They just put it in a plate. There is a plate on which the biryani is kept like that, and the vegetables are falling off like a volcano, and they just serve it because they charge only 100 rupees. The same biryani, when they serve in a big hotel, they put a chili like a design, they put a ginger on the side which will look like a Mickey Mouse, all that presentation. It's called aesthetics, which is presentation wise, it is very, very appealing. So that's very important. Okay, the words that have been given to me is canoe or canoe. Canoe or canoe, both are appropriate. It's a small boat. I don't want to give you the pronunciation of the second word because I don't like that word. The third word is advertisement. It's not advertisement. You use advertisement when you use it as a verb. This particular word is a noun. I want to give you an advertisement. When you use it as a verb, then you say advertise. I want to advertise my shop. It's a verb. Only then you use the I sound, advertise. When you use it as a noun, you say advertisement. The fourth word is direction or direction. Both are correct. Direction, direction, both are correct. It's just that direction is more American. Principle and principle. P-A-L and P-L-E, both are pronounced as same, principle. But P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E, principle means ethics, certain morals. P-A-L means the position in the college, the highest person in the college, principal, it's a designation. Now coming to schedule. Now pay attention, this is for all of you. They have given a brilliant word. Thank you so much. I think they had been asking me and I said I will tell you later. So when this particular word, something is a fundamental information which I need to give you. In India, we follow British pronunciation, British English. But all over the world, a lot of people tend to follow American English because American culture, American food, American music, everything is getting popular, right? If I tell you that let's go and have a pizza, the options are either we go to Pizza Hut or we go to Ganesh Pizza Bhandar. Where will you go with me? Pizza Hut. The person sitting right in front of the camera with a beautiful watch on her hand, she's like Pizza Hut. Who wants to go to Ganesh Pizza Bhandar? Maybe he had a chaat bhandar, he just started making pizza now. So the entire perception about American brands are different. So we have been adopting the language as well. Now actually, now before I answer, Nalanda Degree College, how do you pronounce this word? S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E, how do you pronounce it? How do you pronounce it?
Schedule.
Schedule? Yes, ma'am. Can you try again?
Schedule.
Schedule. Okay. Do all of you agree with her pronunciation in the class? No. Is it a yes or a no? I can hear one person who says no. Do all of you agree? Schedule is the correct pronunciation? Okay, alright. Nalanda Degree College, I will give you 3 choices. Ma'am, what's your name first of all?
Shravani.
Sorry, what?
Shravani.
Name. The thing is, when we speak to anyone, habitually what we do is, the first syllable of the name is usually louder. The second or the last syllable, the tone falls. So when you're speaking face to face, it's easy to understand because I can see the lip movement. But when you speak to somebody over the phone or the video conference, it becomes difficult. So as a practice, this is for all of you. Whenever you speak, this will be covered under fluency as well. Whenever you speak, all the syllables has to be prominent when you speak. Since it's your name, she said Shravani. Now I heard Shrav very clearly, but the last part I could not hear. The same problem happens when you have to give an information in terms of a number. If you ask somebody's number, a phone number, this is how they say. Okay, my number is 6527-2819. 6527-2819. Now when they say 9, the tone goes down and it's not clearly audible. When you have a oral communication over the phone, they always miss the last digit. So the other person says, sorry, 6527-2819. Keep the tone flat. So ideally you are supposed to keep the tone flat when you're speaking to someone, not in a face-to-face mode. So you say the number is 6527-2819. When you raise your tone a little bit on the last syllable or the last unit, that information is heard very clearly. This is a universal problem. I have observed it. Everybody faces this problem. So I'm telling you because tomorrow when you have a telephonic interview, in case if you have a telephonic interview, you should, okay, don't be embarrassed. I'm not pointing at you. I'm saying this is a general problem for everyone. Okay? So Shravani said the pronunciation is schedule. All of you agree with her. Now Shravani, I will give you 3 choices. You need to pick one choice. Okay? Are you ready? Has she left or is she there? Oh yeah, she's there. Shravani, your choices are Sri Chaitanya Degree College, Vijayanagaram, Sai Kulwant Degree College, AKP, I don't know what AKP means, and the last one is RK Degree College. I repeat, Sai Kulwant Degree College, Sri Chaitanya Degree College, RK Degree College. Please pick one choice.
Sri Chaitanya Degree College.
Thank you. May I have a volunteer from Sri Chaitanya Degree College, please?
Good afternoon, sir.
Talk like that. You can stand straight, no problem. I can see you clearly. What's your name?
Begum. Begum, sir.
Only Begum? First name, please.
Tahmina Begum. Tahmina Begum.
Amina Begum. Okay. How do you pronounce this word which you see on your screen?
Schedule.
Again? Silence please. How do you pronounce the word?
Schedule.
Schedule. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So Miss Tehmina and Shravani, they said the pronunciation is schedule. Alright? Great. Thank you. Miss Tehmina Begum, I will give you 3 choices. You need to pick one choice. Alright? Okay, your choice number 1 is Don Bosco. Choice number 2 is GCSR College. And choice number 3 is Punyagiri. Please pick one choice.
Don Bosco.
Don Bosco, may I have a volunteer please? Don Bosco, I didn't ask you to give me more words. I need a volunteer.
Hello,
Don
sir.
Bosco, may I have a volunteer please?
Hello, sir.
Hi. How do you pronounce this word which you see on your screen?
Schedule.
Sorry? Once again please.
Silence.
Once again please.
Schedule, sir.
Schedule. Okay. Alright. Is this correct? You said schedule, right?
Sir.
Okay. Tehmina and Shravani, you said schedule, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. You have been a wonderful audience. You can put yourself on mute and go back. Except Nalanda, everybody can be on mute because the question came from them if I'm right. These were your words, right, Nalanda? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Now let me tell you something amazing. In India, we follow British English. As per the British English, the pronunciation is schedule. Okay? So if you are saying schedule, this is correct. Okay? I hope the screen is visible to all of you. Please raise your hand if yes. Great. American pronunciation, in American English, the pronunciation is schedule. So if you pick American pronunciation, the pronunciation is schedule. British pronunciation is schedule. But we are Indians. We want everything. We go for a buffet, we ask what do you have, they say we have pizza and we have curd rice. We said no, we want both. I want Italian and Indian also. Sir, we have pasta. It's an amazing Italian dish. Very good. What do you have to drink? We have thumbs up. No, give me buttermilk. I mean, it's an insane mix. Buttermilk with pasta, curd rice with pizza, because I love my country. That's why we have taken half of British English, which is dual, and half of American English, and we end up saying schedule. You are neither saying a perfect British English, neither using a perfect American English. Half, half. Dono khush hai, both are happy. I am keeping both of them happy. Because they ruled me and the other one is giving me a job. Please follow only one. It's either schedule or it is schedule. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to everyone? Thank you. So, keno or kenoi, schedule or schedule, advertisement, direction, principle, and principle again. Both are appropriate. I'm switching over to Prism Degree College. Prism Degree College, may I have the words please? Prism Degree College, may I have the words please? The first word that has been given to me is carte blanche. Carte blanche is a French word. It's a term. It is associated with history. It's carte blanche. It's not carte blanche. Don't say carte blanche. It's carte blanche. Okay. Next, may I have the next word please? Prism. Can you please do me a favor and give me all the words together? Okay. The next word is sepulchre. I don't know what it means. The next word is Sylvan, S-Y-L-V-A-N, and V-I-L-E-Y, Wiley. V-I-L-E-Y, Wiley. All right. Prism, thank you. I expect you guys to give me words which you commonly use but you don't know the pronunciation. Please apply a little bit of common sense. How many times have you used the word carte blanche in your regular communication? How many times have you done that? Please turn on your microphone. If you want to learn pronunciation, I can also teach you the pronunciation of the word supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. But am I going to do that? So let me teach you how to pronounce supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. It's one word. But should I do it? Because you're not going to use that. So pick a word which you regularly use but you're confused how to pronounce it. Departure, you gave me departure and you gave me wonderful. So if you, I'm a little amused that you don't know the meaning, don't know the pronunciation of departure. It's departure and wonderful. Then you gave me environment. It's not environment, it's environment. Environment. May I have one last word please? One last word. I-S-L-A-N-D is island. Thank you so much. Punyagiri Degree College, may I have the 5 words please? Nalanda, you guys are still the winner in terms of aesthetics. Congratulations. The first word is poem, or it's not poem, okay? Don't say poem. It's not poem, it's poem. The next word is dubious. Dubious means something which is not authentic. Poem, dubious, jagged, J-A-G-G-E-D, jagged. Admirable or admirable, it's admirable. Akin, A-K-I-N, akin. Emphasis, disease. Quotes, adore, A-D-O-R-E, adore. Word, W-O-R-D is word. W-A-R-D is ward. One is word, one is ward. Then we have candidate. Candidate. Thank you so much, Punyagiri. RK Degree College, may I have the words please? RK Degree College, may I have the words? The first word is incorrect. There is no word called accretion. It's accreditation. Then we have acquittal. Nalanda, again you are the winner in terms of aesthetics. Once again, congratulations. It's accreditation, acquittal, somner, S-O-M-N-E-R, somner, B-L-U-R-B, blurb. Flip it. What is the meaning of flip it? RK Degree College. RK Degree College, what is the meaning of flip it?
Sir. Sir.
What is the meaning of flip it?
Means insincere.
When was the last time you used the word in a sentence?
I did not use it, sir.
Do you plan to use it?
Sir, I did not understand, sir.
Do you plan to use the word which you asked me the pronunciation for?
No, sir. I want to know the pronunciation, how to pronounce it, that's all. Sir.
And then what will you do with it?
I will copy with other words, how to spell.
You cannot copy one pronunciation into another because English is a non-phonetic language. Those who are giving me words, this is a message for everyone. Please focus on the communication which you have limited yourself to. Today you find it difficult to pronounce common words. Learn to pronounce those words, then think about the words which you will never use. You had been learning something which is of no use anyways. At least focus on something which you will use. Are you telling me you are going to use the word smarmy, S-M-A-R-M-I, M-Y, sorry? Are you going to use smarmy? Are you going to use the word rendezvous?
Sir, someone
Yes.
gave me the words, sir.
Do you have a little common sense or little intelligence? Did you question them? Just because you are speaking, obviously I'm speaking to you. I am not against training you guys, but this training has to be useful for your interviews, for your interaction, for your assessments. If you ask me the meaning or pronunciation of words which you will never use, then why are you even learning? It's a waste of time, right? It's not a time pass session. Let me give you a word which you are supposed to use in an interview. Okay? And that word is,
Okay.
this is the first word. The second word is, I'll give you another word. Can you pronounce all the three words? These are the three words which you are expected to use.
I will try, sir, try to pronounce.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Co- competency,
Alright, next.
congregation.
What does it mean?
Don't know, sir.
It means gathering. What do you mean by rendezvous? Rendezvous is a place where you have a dialogue, where you interact. The rendezvous point for the congregation is the city college. I use the word rendezvous, I use the word congregation because now I know the meaning. You guys are giving me, just because you came across, okay, let's look at the dictionary, oh my god, I don't know how to pronounce, let's ask the trainer. Change that attitude. Bring an attitude where you ask me words which you will use, which you will utilize. All throughout you had been taught so many things in your school. Are you using them? No. You want me to tell you the pronunciation of pedagogy. Even I don't use the word pedagogy. It's little disappointing because I'm speaking to educated people here and you still don't understand the sense of what is the purpose of the training. At one side I have one college which has given me words like schedule, advertisement, direction, principle, advise, difference between advise CE and advise SE, and then I have words where I'm very, very certain none of you are going to use those words. I'm switching over to, oh my God, it's a very, very difficult name. Somebody has to help me how to pronounce. It's Raja, RSKR, I don't know. I don't know which college is this. Please give me the words. Bobili. There is no space between the letters. That's why I'm not able to figure out how to pronounce it. Whoever typed the name of the college in the login page, congratulations. You are absolutely amazing. I can't even figure out what is the name of the college. There is a college from Bobili. Please identify yourself. RK Degree College, you asked me B-R-E-A-K and B-R-A-K-E. Both are pronounced as break. Alright? Then you gave me either and neither. It's either or neither. Either, neither is accepted. Either, neither. Both are accepted. So either, neither, neither. Both are accepted. So both are perfect. Don Bosco, your time is over. So please don't ask me any more words. Your time is up. I already gave you the chance. You got your chance. There is a college from Bobili. Please somebody help me understand what is the name. They did not use any space in between. And they are not responding either. Rani Tirumala Degree College. May I have your words, please? Nalanda, you have a competition now. Okay. The first word is amazing. The first word is psychologist. Psychologist? No, it's psychologist. It's not psychology. When we say psychology, then we stress on the second syllable, psychology. But this is psychologist. So psychologist, mixture, successive, miscellaneous. It's not miscellaneous, it's miscellaneous. A-R-C-A-D-E, arcade. Then we have secretariat. It's not secretariat. Don't say secretariat, it's secretariat. Financial or financial, both are perfect. Okay? Financial or financial, both are accepted. Okay? I don't know what do you mean by this word. The pronunciation is A-E-S. Aesthetics. It's aesthetics. Alright? Humanitarian. 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 The next one is acronym. It's not acronym. It's acronym. And the last one is format. Acronym and format. Good words, usable words, practical words. Thank you. After Rani Tirumala, I'm switching over to Sai Kulwant. May I have the words, please? Who typed these words? Can you please switch on your microphone?
Hello, sir.
Sai Kulwant, please switch on your microphone.
Hello, sir.
Yes. What's your name?
Arvind, sir.
Is it Aravind or Arvind?
Arvind.
Arvind, okay. What is the first word, sir? I never heard this word before in my life. Can you help me understand?
Spelling mistake, sir. First one is.
Spelling what?
C-E-R-E-M-O-N-Y.
C, ye, yar, ye, yum, wo, yan, y. Yum. What is yum? It is M. And what do you mean by mistake? It's not mistake, it's mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E. Mistake, not mistake.
Okay, sir.
Alright. The first one is ceremony. What do you mean by the second word, cheesemonger? What does it mean? SVS is asking what is the meaning of miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means something that cannot be categorized. Example, miscellaneous expenses, where you don't want to categorize. So that is miscellaneous. Alright, cheesemonger. What is the meaning of cheesemonger?
Who
Arvind.
sells butter, cheese and dairy products?
It's a cheesemonger.
Yes, sir.
When did you use this word the last time in your life? What is the meaning of viscosity? V-I-S-C-O-C-I-T-Y. What is the meaning of viscosity?
Viscosity, sir.
Huh? What?
Physics word, sir.
What does it mean? BSc student, you said physics word. What does it mean? Okay, you don't know the meaning. I'm moving on. Momentum, M-O-M-E-N-T-U-M, momentum, S-W-E-A-R, swear, momentum, swear, oyster, apprehend, sovereign, sovereign spelling is incorrect, sovereign, coercion, C-O-E-R-C-I-O-N, coercion, dairy and diary. Dairy is different, diary is different. Then we have scrutinity. It's scrutiny or scrutinity. Alright? Thank you,
Yes, sir.
Sai Kulwant. I'm switching over to Samskara Bharati Degree College, Sompeta. Chappandi, Chappandi, Chappandi. Please give me the words. Geetham Degree College, what chance do you want to win a lottery? What chance are you looking for? Samskara Bharati Degree College, Triumph, T-R-I-U-M-P-H, Triumph, Ductile, Tuple. I don't know when was the last time you used the word tuple. Victory, malice, mischievous, conduit, simultaneously, H-I-E-R-A-R. I don't know what does that mean. C-H-I-C-A-L. What does it mean, Samskara? C-H-I-C-A-L. What does it mean? Samskara, are you there? What does it mean? Please respond. Are you going to respond? Am I audible to all of you? Samskara, are you going to respond? What does the word mean? C-H-I-C-A-L? No response. SBVR Degree College, may I have your 5 words, please? SBVR Degree College, may I have the 5 words, please? SBVR Degree College. May I have your 5 words, please? Thank you. The first one is exorcism. Aisle, aisle. A-I-S-L-E, I-S-L-E, both are aisle. Competitive. The next one is competitive. Then we have accommodate. Then we have diaphragm. The PH will carry the function of f sound. Diaphragm. Question. Psychiatrist. 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 Dilemma or dilemma or dilemma. Dilemma is considered more appropriate. Then we have anesthesia. Anesthesia. Exorcism or exorcism. Aisle. Competitive. Accommodate. Diaphragm. Question. Psychiatrist. Dilemma. Anesthesia. Thank you so much, SBVR College. I'm switching over to SDM SMK. Give me 5 words. 5 is a very simple number which we learned when we were a kid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So give me 5 words. Exactly. What is 5 called in Telugu? No, if you don't switch on your mic, I can't figure what you mean. Aidu word Ivaru, Icharu. Please, Aidu word Ivandi. SDM SMK College, please give me the 5 words. The first one is enable, E-N-A-B-L-E, enable. The next one is charisma, C-H-A-R-I-S-M-A, charisma. 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 more words. B-O-T-I-Q-U-E, spelling mistake, minus 100. The spelling is B-O-U. Boutique, it's pronounced as boutique. E-M-P-H-A-S-E, I don't know what it means, maybe it's a spelling mistake. Minus 500 again if it's a spelling mistake. The last one is abysmal, A-B-Y, just a moment. Abysmal, A-B-Y-S-M-A-L, abysmal. Then we have allocation, location, allocation. All right. Thank you so much, SDM SMK. SKVT College, Rajamundry. SKVT Rajamundry, 5 words. Very good. You have given me abbreviate. Abbreviate, bouquet. It's not bouquet. Say bouquet. Bouquet, embarrassment. It's not embarrassment. Don't say embarrassment. A lot of people say embarrassment. It's embarrassment. Check. C-H-E-Q-U-E, check. Recognize and customer. Thank you so much, SKVT. I'm switching over to SPMH Machilipatnam. SPMH Machilipatnam, may I have the 5 words, please? Awake, obstacle, awake, obstacle. How do you pronounce the third one? Yesterday I did cover this. How do you pronounce the third one? Anybody? Only one college and one person. When I say anyone means one. Tortoise. It's not tortoise. It's tortoise. It's not tortoise. Neither it is tortoise. It's tortoise. Tortoise. Alright? It's not tortoise. Tortoise. Viewer. Former. One is former. The second one is farmer. Former, farmer. Category. And the last one is autumn. It's not autumn. Don't say autumn. It's autumn. And it is category. All right? And this particular college was SMPH. GCSR College Rajam. GCSR College Rajam. GCHR College Rajam. Please respond. I'm gonna go very quick because today all I did in 1.5 hours is just answer your question and correct you because some of you were not following the discipline. GCSR College, no response. Sri Sivani Degree College, may I have the 5 words please? Sri Sivani Degree College, 5 words please. Farmer, encourage. Farmer, encourage. Receipt. Please don't say receipt. Sir, I have paid my bill, please give me the receipt. It's not receipt, it's receipt. Alright? Disaster, absent, bouquet, miracle. And the last one is congratulations. A lot of people say congratulations. It's not Jew, it's chew. Congratulations. Alright? SVS, I don't know why you're asking out of turn. It's called surgeon. Okay, Sri Sivani is done. Sri Chaitanya Degree College, may I have the 5 words please? Sri Chaitanya, the next session is aptitude, right? So please ask the trainer to teach you a little bit of counting. I'm going to take only 5. Whole and whole, WH and HO, both are pronounced the same. Whole and whole. B-U-L-W-A-R-K, I don't know the meaning of the word. The fourth one is bizarre. The fourth one is bizarre. The fifth one is economy. The next is squib. I don't know what is the meaning of squib. Then we have whistle. Then we have precious. Emancipation, spelling is incorrect. I think the spelling is incorrect. Emancipation, session, section, procedure, social, world, segment, segment. What is segment? I don't know. Okay, Sri Chaitanya. After Sri Chaitanya, we have SSSS. May I have the 5 words, please? S to the power infinity, and they have given me those many words also. I think there is a problem with my English, or there is a problem with your hearing. I said 5 words. Ridiculous, mustache, authority, quarterly, divorce, beard, spectacles, kangaroo. It's not kangaroo. Don't say I am going to Australia and there I will see kangaroo. It's not kangaroo. It's kangaroo. Acknowledgement, caste, abstract, abuse. Alright? SSSSS, thank you. Sun Degree College, may I have the 5 words please? Sun Degree College, the 5 words please. Bobili, when you got a chance, you did not type, then you all of a sudden you enter into the queue and then you say please respond. I don't know why you were not responding when I kept requesting you. Your words are athletic, sophisticated, philosopher, guava, and solace. There is one word which a lot of people mispronounce. The fourth one, it's pronounced as guava. A lot of people say Goa. I want to eat Goa. I said, why do you want to eat Goa? Eat Punjab, eat Uttar Pradesh, eat West Bengal. Goa is a state, right? Eat all the states. Nobody will fight that I want a separate state. Problem solved. He said, no, 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 it's a green color fruit. I said, it's guava, not Goa. So please don't say Goa. Sun Degree College, are you going to give me the 5 words? Sun Degree College, 5 words, Ivandi. Bobili, I just answered 5 words. So let's have the next team. The first one is quartz. The second one is plight, like flight. You have plight. Then you have fabulous. You have a confusion between synchronization and synchronization with Z and synchronization with S. It's exactly like organization with S and organization with Z. Both are correct. Both are same pronunciation. It's just that American English uses a Z. British pronunciation or British word or British English uses S. Both are accepted. Alright? You can use both. No problem at all. I'm switching over to SVDC Porumamila. You kept typing your words. Now you need to type. Now is your turn. SVDC. SVDC, may I have your 5 words, please? Can you repronounce guava? Gu-wa-wa, guava. It's pronounced as guava, not Goa. Okay? Guava. SVDC Porumamila has given me the words. The first one is goosebumps. The second one is blanket. Don't say blanket. Please give me one blanket. No, it's not blanket. It's blanket. Alright? Spicy, squeeze. The last one is squeeze. SVS. SVS, may I have your 5 words, please? And the words they have already given. Good job. The first one is enigma. The second one is gregarious, profuse, hallucination, spacious. I repeat, enigma, gregarious, profuse, hallucination, spacious. Ushodaya, Ushodaya, please give me the 5 words. The first one is 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40 like 40, 40. Ape, A-P-E, ape. Library. What is major application? I don't know what is major application. Never ever heard it. I don't know the meaning. I'm sorry. What is the meaning? Ushodaya, what is the meaning of major application? Wait a second. It's major application. Okay, I will tell you one thing which will help you for rest of your life. Okay, we have the solar system, right? All the 9 planets are there. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and all those planets. All those planets are a part of solar system. That's also called a space. If you want to go to the space, it's very, very expensive. You need to have like at least $200-300 million to go to the space. But you can also get the space by spending 200 rupees. You see this? This particular, wait, this is also called space. So whenever you need to use, please use the space. I was thinking I never heard the word major application. And it turns out it's major and then application. Oh my God. I think I will have to go to a doctor very soon if I keep going on. Thank you for the entertainment. All right. Let's move on. Ushodaya, thank you for giving me a little bit of heart attack. Meaning of enigma, there is an invention called dictionary. Please look up the word. If you don't know the meaning, please start using the dictionary. It's an amazing invention. It's a book. It's available online as well. So get into the habit. As a kid, we always used to look for dictionary and learn words. As we grew up, we forgot to do that. Okay. L-I-E-N. What do you mean by that? Do you mean A-L-L-I-E-N, alien? I don't know. Avian College all of a sudden is asking. You guys were the first one whom I asked, give me the words. All of a sudden you come back. Okay, Vivekananda Degree College, your 5 words please. Vivekananda Degree College, your 5 words please. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words. Okay, the words are volatile. I don't know what is M-O-T-I-E-Y. So I changed the spelling. It's called money. Volatile, money. I don't know what it means. Litigations, utilization, injurious, specialization, tsunami. Don't say tsunami. There was a tsunami which came in Indonesia and Sri Lanka. It's not tsunami, it's tsunami. Anabaptist. I don't know what is Anabaptist. Then it's not thermometer, it's thermometer. अरे जहाँ पे space use करना है वहाँ पे करो, जहाँ नहीं करना है वहाँ नहीं करने का. It's not thermometer, it's thermometer. It's one word. It's like I live in India. Can you say I live in India? No, you can't say that. So please don't use the space where you're not supposed to use the space. Sai Kulwant is actually typing INDIA. Thank you so much. Amazing. So Vivekananda is done. We have VSLDEGREE College Kakinada. Okay, the first word is really good. Wow, look at the design. Amazing. The first word is righteous. A person who is seeking the rights is called righteous. The second word is rec. W is silent, rec. Third one is assignment. Fourth one is Asia. The fifth one is possession. It's a Z sound, possession. All right? And this was which college? VSL Degree College. After VSL, we have YTC Srikakulam. YTC Srikakulam, may I have the 5 words, please? Chaitanya Degree College, why are you asking the words all of a sudden again? Did you ask your 5 words earlier? YTC Srikakulam, your 5 words, please. Avian has asked encyclopedia, stupendous, restaurant. Hierarchy, fiscal, especially, masonry, melancholic or melancholy, do. D-O-U-G-H is do. D-O-U-G-H pronounced as do. Complement and complement, both are pronounced the same. Rupture, R-U-P-T-U-R-E is pronounced as rupture. Practice, P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E and T-I-S-E, both are same. YTC's questions are exit, E-X-I-T-E. I don't know what that means. Are you mean excite? The spelling is incorrect. Encourage, right. W-R-I-T-E is right. Hierarchy, fiscal, especially, masonry, spelling incorrect. Melancholy, do. Oh my God, I'm tired. Thank you so much. I hope I answered most of the words except for those which you will not use ever in your life. Is tomorrow a holiday? Yes. Tomorrow is holiday for everybody in the world, but not for us. Okay? Teresa, genuine, you are asking me some more words. Please let me go home. Genuine, wrinkle, CORPS is pronounced as core. National Cadet Corps, CORPS is pronounced as core. Chirp. Subtle, Q, drought, womb, debris, anemone. Anemone, I don't use it usually. Alright, thank you so much. We will see you tomorrow. I just love working on Sunday, you know, Monday to Friday anyways I work. I love working on Saturday and Sunday also. No, I don't. For you guys, I'm coming tomorrow. It's not that I hate that I have to come tomorrow. I'm absolutely fine as long as we learn something. Okay? So, any questions regarding tomorrow's training? Trip is between two destinations. Trip is more of physical. Journey is more mental. You always remember the journey but not the trip. Okay, journey is more broad. Trip is more shorter. Alright, thank you so much. Do we have Sunil online? Sorry, Rajendra. Do we have Rajendra online? I think you guys can take a break and they will start so that I can also take a break, you can also take a break, and tomorrow anyways we have this session. The moment I say take a break, somebody runs away from Nalanda College. Thank you. Alright, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Pleasure talking to you. I'll speak to you tomorrow.
Sir,
Thank you. Yes, go ahead.
sir, what is the tomorrow session, sir? Means, what is the topics we are going to discuss tomorrow?
Tomorrow we are going to cover vowel sounds. We already finished consonant sounds in practice. Tomorrow we'll do vowel sounds and we'll do syllable and syllable stress. Oh, are you asking me what topic depending on which you will decide should you come or not?
No, sir, not like that, sir.
Okay, I'm just kidding you. Alright.
Sir, small question, sir.
How small? Wait. Where is the scale? Office boy, please bring me the scale, please. I need to measure the question.
Sir, by habitual action, I said, sir, a habit is.
Okay, you know, as a habit, I used to eat Cerelac when I was 2 years old. I don't eat it anymore. As a habit, I used to, if this is a pen, I used to chew the end of the pen in my school and pencil. I don't do it anymore. Come out of your habit. Any habit, to get rid of a habit, it takes 16 days to make it a practice. If you pick something and you do it continuously for 16 days, it becomes a habit. Alright, what is your small question, ma'am?
In which situations we use pain and ache?
In which situation do we use?
Pain and ache.
Pain and ache.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good question. Pain is more like an expression, but it's also used in terms of certain aspect which is not really an existing pain. For example, it was very painful for me to reach office today because it was raining. It doesn't mean that if I apply Jhandu balm I'll be fine. That painful means it was an uncomfortable experience. If your head is hurting, you use headache. If you have stomach pain, you use stomach pain. I do not know in what case can you use ache, what case you can use pain. I actually don't know. But what I know is if you're making a mistake, I can say no, you can't say stomach ache. We use stomach ache, but stomach pain is more appropriate. Pain, for example, we say toothache, tooth pain. We don't use tooth pain. Okay. So pain is more as an expression, ache is more like an experience. So if you're experiencing it, for example, I am suffering with a heartache. Heartache means my heart pains. Why? Why does it happen? You can ask. So I have a heartache because Germany lost the semi-finals. I am a football fan and I'm a German fan. So I have a heartache because Germany lost the semi-final. You can say I have a heartache because your favorite actor got married. Who's your favorite actor? Pavan Kalyan.
Sir, Edward. No, sir. Karti.
I thought your favorite actor is Sampurnesh Babu. He is very talented.
No, sir. Karti.
Okay. All right. I think you should change it. You should change it to Sampurnesh Babu. I want to meet him before I die. I mean, so much of intelligence. Whatever he does, oh my God. I feel as if the law of physics has to change for him.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. There is a confusion here. Guys, there is a confusion here. Hold on. Tomorrow is a holiday or not? I'm confused because I'm doing another batch for whom it's not a holiday tomorrow. But is it a holiday or not for you? I need to get a confirmation. Rajendra, do we have you online? Rajendra, do we have you online?
Yes, we have.
Rajendra, do we have you online?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond to my words. Hello.
What is your question?
Actually, pronounce tell me.
Huh?
And how to pronounce actually?
That I will I will actually tell you how to pronounce actually. Actually, the thing is, whenever anybody asks for how to pronounce actually, I actually tell them how to pronounce it actually. I want to speak to someone from APSSDC, please. Rajendra, do we have you online?
Yes, Ron, we are here.
Rajendra, I'm sorry. I think I confused everybody in the student community here. Do we have a holiday for this batch, the 10-day program? It's holiday tomorrow, right?
No, it's working.
Is it a holiday or not tomorrow?
No, we don't have any holiday. Continue.
Okay, so tomorrow we have the class.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, Topaz T-O-P-A-Z. How to pronounce T-O-P-A-Z?
It's not Jed, it's Zed. It's Topaz.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay, tomorrow we do not have a holiday. We are working tomorrow.
Oh, yes, sir. We are now.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow, yes, we do have the session. It's not a holiday. Thank you so much. Rajendra will shoot me if I take more time. I've already taken 15 minutes of his time. And he's a very nice person. He's always very, very considerate. Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, T-O-P-A-Z. Please pronounce. Tell me how to pronounce. Your voice is not clear. Yes.
T-O-P-A-Z. It's pronounced as Topaz. Topaz.
Tell me meaning.
It's a mineral.
Mineral. Okay, thank you, sir.
It's not mineral. It's mineral. Okay? And you can call me as Sir, not Sar. Sar is S-A-A-R. The spelling is Sir, S-I-R.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. See, you were supposed to be going on a 5-minute break. You did not even use it.
We are waiting for your class, sir.
You are waiting for my class. The class just got over. I started at 1:30.
Tomorrow, sir.
Huh?
Tomorrow, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Don't wait. Go home. Come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sir.
Yeah. Tomorrow I'm taking the class. You said you're waiting for my class for tomorrow, right? Yeah, I know we have the class tomorrow, but please go home today after the session. Come tomorrow, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Bye-bye.